I want to welcome you to Global FX Radio YouTube's U.S. preview. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton, with a rare morning update. I got to tell you, we're looking at this euro dollar, made new lows, and now it's bouncing back. I got to tell you, how about them Cowboys? Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, triple roll working to perfection. It was painful, but boy, oh boy, if you let it come to you, boy, last night was some night. What a freaking night. And I got to tell you, you got to get long. The dark side, the side against the trend, the most difficult side to be on, the long side. All you long players out there, I feel for you. I mean, looking at the hourly chart, do I see any sign of a bottom? Well, we kept making, we made higher lows. You can make that case all along the way. We've made higher lows. We breached this 127.50, 127.40, and it's over. Look out below. And we'll probably get down to maybe 125.50, I guess. But boy, oh boy, not looking very good. The only sign of encouragement on the euro, maybe we broke this little downtrend channel line we got going here. But boy, I'll tell you, we take out this 129.50 level to the moon, Alice. Just looks like there might be a nice bar up here. Again, it's against the trend. We're up a lot of money. We can afford to give back a little bit. And if I'm right, boy, will today be someday. So that's the euro dollar and the hourly. Certainly hard to make this pounding the table bullish call from this chart, that's for sure. We did have numbers that came out last night. London retail sales, a shocker. They did revise previous month down, but only down 0.4%. How about French consumer spending? Much better than expected. That's a shocker. Industrial new orders, though, an abomination, down 1.2%. Mortgage approval is a little bit better out of London. So, euro sterling, we should probably start seeing heading down. But looking at this, we'll look at that in a second. Looking at this dollar yen, unemployment claims, the only number really coming out of the U.S. We do have FOMC member Duke speaking, as well as house price index coming out at 10 o'clock. You want to look for that, as well as Belgian business climate. That New Zealand dollar last night. Wow, what a move. But looking at this dollar yen, it's like I'd love to say we got these hammers instead of these stupid double bottoms on the hour. I mean, let's see, maybe the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. Maybe that'll look a little different. I like the 4-hour sometimes. Look at the 4-hour. Hey, I'll look at any time frame to try and get a hammer. 30-minute. Nope. The 4-hour double bottom. Let's take a look at the 30-minute dollar yen. No. No hammer. Just double bottoms across the board. Maybe another time frame. I'm not going to keep looking for it. But the futures obviously are going to be the key with dollar yen. The carry trade we're going to look at in a second. I don't know. I really would have thought that the reversal would have been more violent given how oversold things are. So it just scares me into believing that maybe we're going to have a retest. Maybe we have a retest. Sterling dollar. Let's look at the hourly chart. That's the 30-minute. Again, I love to make a case how it looks so great, right? We got this channel line. We're busting here. That's not good. This 163.50 level is huge, though. Triple roll worked awesome last night. Nice reversal in this pound dollar. I mean, the moves here, it's amazing. This looks like nothing on the chart, but this is almost 200 pips. Help me. I mean, what a move we had after the close on 5 o'clock, huh? Cable looks like it's rolling back down. This is not good. We take out 162, and this could really be rolling over. And I got to tell you, I'm not impressed with the action so far. I do think we have the potential to bottom, but it looks more and more and more, given the weakness in dollar yen, look at this chart right here, that we're probably going to make new lows first in the U.S. session. I don't know. But as much as I thought maybe we're going to bottom, given the action that we're seeing right now, and let's just look at the daily on sterling dollar. I hate to say it, but it's not over. This action sucks. This should have been new lows, meltdown, hammer. And we're getting double bottoms. And this hourly chart on sterling dollar, it's breaking through this little channel line. It's rolling over. Euro sterling, let's take a look at that. I do think by the end of the day, Euro sterling does close lower. Euro sterling making a nice comeback. I mean, look at this. Almost getting to our little channel line here of the 80 level, but I don't think it's going to get there. That's 100 pips. I do think, though, that Euro sterling, let's take a look at the hourly chart. Euro sterling. Commodity currency is very weak. They're playing catch up, just like we predicted. It's not easy. I don't want to make it seem like it's easy. Believe me, I make mistakes every freaking day. I always kick myself, woulda, coulda, shoulda. But you know what? The bottom line is, you can't. I mean, I do, but I call it the 5-second rule. All right, I'm going to get pissed about something. All right, I'm pissed for 5 seconds. Let it go. That's it. I'm not going to waste my energy, waste my trading energy on a trade that's over. Learn from it, move on, and don't try and not make the same mistake again. Isn't the definition of insanity when you make the same mistake over and over and over again and never learn from your mistakes? I'm pretty sure that is the definition of insanity. So those of you that continue to make the same mistake over and over again, I don't know, either give up trading, see a shrink, or do something. But if you're going to make the same mistake over and over again, that's insane. So, you know, you're going to keep getting pissed off about these trades that woulda, coulda, shoulda. I mean, I'll bitch and complain, no problem, but I let it go. Believe me, I could be bitching about a lot of trades in my lifetime. Look at this Euro sterling again. I don't know. It looks like it could pull back. Retail sales out of London were better. I would think there's a nice little tweezer top maybe on the hourly. Looks like it's going to come in. But we'll see. All right, now the big one. Euro yen. Did it bottom? I mean, unemployment claims are going to be terrible. Maybe we bottom after unemployment claims come out down 500, over 500. Look at this Euro yen. It's just rolling over. Absolutely rolling over. Double bottom at 12 o'clock. Head into this downtrend channel line. Did we break the downtrend channel line? You bet your butt we did. But you know what? It's rolling back over. I could see a retest of maybe 124 maybe. But the nice thing about Euro yen is it took out the lows. It did take out the lows. So we look at the daily chart. When we look at the daily chart, this has more potential for a hammer. We look at this chart. Now that would be one nice looking hammer. It's shaping up to be it right now. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bang. Reversal day. So the Euro yen to me on the daily is shaping up to be a nice long. We take out today's lows, say bye-bye, cut your losses, next move on. Sterling yen also. Look at that bottom forming, baby. This could be it. I know we rallied up to 160 on the slingshot, but I don't know. I got to tell you, hourly chart, when you look at the hourlies, it doesn't look very good. But we're rolling over. Look at that double top in the sterling yen, the sterling yen hourly chart. Look at that beautiful double top. Now rolling over back the last couple hours, retesting the lows. I got to tell you, this is a huge level. We've reached through this 158, and we stay, and we close in the next minute. The hourly bar is going to be 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in 10 seconds. And this is not good. Another bar. We're rolling over. I'd say maybe after unemployment claims, maybe we get a little rally. But this sterling yen, again, failing. Should have held here. All we got were double bottoms. We did not get the hammer that I'm looking for. I think we come down to the lows maybe, and then we have a hammer. But I do believe that we've hit bottom. I think they tried to put this market away. They couldn't. They ripped it on both the euro, cable, everything. And the commodity currencies look the weakest today, where they looked the strongest yesterday. So, again, catch up. All right, as far as the rest of the day is concerned, again, wish you the best of luck. Hopefully you cleaned up last night on my calls. Again, if you're looking to go premium, info at globalfxradio.com, YouTube. You can check out my webinars, Voice of Forex, and Global FX Radio for my market wrap-up audio-only longer version show. You want to try out premium, Global FX Radio, try a 1-week trial for free, people. You won't regret it. So again, to recap, does not look like a bottom yet. Looks like we're going to retest the lows, but I do think by the end of the day, we're higher. Now we take out the lows, all bets are off. No soup for you. Have a nice day. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio. The only voice you'll ever need in Forex that makes you money. Oh, baby.